In front of me is INFINIX Hot 50, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Google. Now select All Services. Scroll again and click on AutoFill with Google here. Then tap on Google Password Manager. Select any password you wanna get rid of and enter your screen lock. Now hit Delete button and confirm your choice by choosing Delete in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!